Welcome to Excel AI Analytics, a math series of 100 video parts on Excel Analytics using the latest features of AI in Excel to develop financial models. The Jurassic Maturity Particles for AI tech fans. Whether you are a complete beginner or expert user of Excel application, you will love to click on the button with purpose to know more about Excel Analytics with AI. This video is for you. Enjoy watching.
Hello friends, welcome to the channel and welcome to Basics of Excel AI Analytics. Today we are demystifying a cornerstone of financial investment analysis, the net present value NPV function. To a layman, the net present value is simply a time machine for your money. Think about it, $1 today is generally worth more than $1 a year from now. We all understand this instinctively due to inflation and investment potential. So NPV answers this question. What are all these future payments occurring periodically over time and worth to me today? The function considers two main inputs, your expected profit or cash flow at the end of each period and a discounted rate. Think of this as interest rate you did otherwise get on a risk-free investment. Excel's powerful algorithm does the complex mathematics of bringing all these future dollars back to the present. The final result, like the $20,000, 176.29, that is $20,176.29 shown here is crucial. If this value is positive, the project or investment is making you wealthier in today's money. If it were negative, it would be a signal that you might actually be losing value. Mastering the NPV in Excel is a fundamental step toward building the clear, insightful financial models for better decision making. And thanks for watching. And remember to like and subscribe for more strategic insights on bridging data and business logic.